Welcome all. In last lecture we have seen the K-map reduction techniques, that is pair method, octet method and chord method. By using them we are going to solve the Boolean expression using K-map. First we will see the steps. First of all we are going to prepare the K-map and we are going to enter 1 in the corresponding cells of the K-map from the given truth table or from the given expression, and we are going to enter the zeros in the remaining cells. After that we are going to identify a biggest group, that is a octet, by combining ones in a given K-map, and we are going to encircle them. After finding a octet we are going to identify the ones to get a chord if it is possible. After that we are going to identify ones by which we can make a pair if it is possible. After finding a chord, octet and pair, we are going to identify if any one is yet to be encircled. If yes, then we are going to encircle them with each other or with the already encircled ones to form a octet, a chord or a pair. These are the some hints which we are going to use. The first one is, if Boolean expression contains mean terms in the range of 0 to 3, then we are going to use a 2 variable K-map. If a Boolean expression contains mean terms in the range of 0 to 7, then we are going to use a 3 variable K-map. After that, if a Boolean expression contains mean terms from 0 to 15, then we are going to use a 4 variable K-map. Now this is our first example. We are going to minimize this expression using K-map. The given expression is y is equal to summation small m 1 3 5 9 11 13. Summation and small m indicates that the given equation contains mean terms, that is the given expression is in SOP form. Now as the mean terms are in the range of 0 to 15, we are going to use a 4 variable K-map. The structure is shown over here. We already studied the 4 variable K-map. It contains 16 boxes and each box has its own position, and the position is indicated like this: 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. These positions are fixed for any of the 4 variable K-map. This will not going to change. Now we are going to enter the one for the mean terms which are available in our given equation. The first mean term is 1, so we are going to enter 1 over here. For 3 we are going to enter 1 over here. For 5 we are going to enter 1 over here. For 9 we will enter 1 over here. For 11 we will enter 1 over here, and for 13 we will enter 1 over here. For remaining cells we have to enter zeros. After this we are going to make a group of ones to find octet. As there are only 6 ones, the octet will not be possible for this problem. After that we will go for the chord. This vertical one will form a chord for which the related terms are a bar, b bar, a bar, b, a b bar, c bar, d. From this a bar, a get cancelled with each other. After that this b bar, b get cancelled with each other. This b bar get cancelled with each other. Only remaining term is c bar, d. So for this vertical chord we will get the term as a c bar, d. After that this one is remaining and this one is remaining, so we will use them to form a chord as these two are adjacent with these two cells. So for this chord we will get the term as the related variables are a bar, b bar, a, b bar, c bar, d and c d. From this a bar and a get cancelled with each other, and here c bar and c get cancelled with each other, so we will get only the term as b bar d. So the final equation will be y equal to, as we take d common, c bar plus b bar. This is our reduced equation for which we have to draw a circuit. So c bar and b bar can be find out using inverter gate. C bar with another inverter gate we can get b bar. So c bar plus b bar will have a OR gate, and to get AND equation we have to use AND gate. Here we will apply a D input, and here c bar plus b bar input is available. This is how we will get a final output at the output of AND gate. So we will solve the next example, which is function of ABCD containing the mean terms 0, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 15. Again, as the mean terms are in the range of 0 to 15, we are going to use a 4 variable K-map. Now we will enter the ones which are available for the mean terms which are available in our given equation. So first for 0 we will enter 1, for 1 we will enter 1, for 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13 and this one is 15. For remaining cells we are going to enter zeros. After this we will find the octet if it is possible. Here it is possible to get a octet. This is the octet for which we can get the equation as c bar only, as this d bar get cancelled and all these terms are get cancelled with each other. After that these two ones are remaining, so we cannot form a octet using these remained ones, so we will go for chord if it is possible. So here we can make a chord by using ones which are involved in this octet. So this will be our second group. For this the related variables are a bar b, a b, c bar d, c d. From this a bar get cancelled, c bar get cancelled with each other, so we will get a b d for this chord. So the end equation will be function of ABCD equal to c bar plus bd. This is how we can solve the given SOP expression using K-map. Now we will go for the third example, which is a function of ABCD summation small m 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. Now in this example we can observe that the mean terms are in the range of 0 to 7. So we have to use a 3 variable K-map for this, or in other words we can solve this example using a 3 variable K-map also. But as the question contains function of 4 variables, that is ABCD, we have to use a 4 variable K-map for solving this problem, even though we can solve this using a 3 variable K-map also, but as the question itself contains 4 variables, so we are going to use a 4 variable K-map to solve this one. Again we will enter the ones for the mean terms which are available in the equation, that is for 0, 1, 3, 4, 5 and 7. For remaining cells we are going to enter the zeros. Now after this we are going to identify a octet which is not possible over here, so we will go for chord. This one will be our first chord. For this the equation will be, the related terms are a bar b bar, a bar b, c bar d bar, c bar d. So from this b bar b get cancelled with each other and d bar d get cancelled with each other, so we will get for this first chord the term as a bar, c bar. Now for these two ones are not encircled, so we are going to involve these remaining two ones in a chord with the ones which are involved in the first chord. So this will gives a equation as a bar d. So we will get the end equation as y is equal to a bar c bar plus a bar d. This is how we can solve the example. Now next we will solve the fourth example. The example is function of ABC summation small m 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now here the function itself is a function of 3 variables and the mean terms are in the range of 0 to 7. So we are going to use a 3 variable K-map to solve this problem. So again these are the cell positions for 3 variable K-map which are fixed. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is fixed, this will not going to change for any of the K-map. Now here vertically a and a bar are taken and horizontally b and c variables are taken. Now we will enter the one for the respective mean terms which are available in the equation for 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 7. For remaining we will enter zeros. Now first we will find the octet which is not possible over here as only 6 ones are available. So we will go for a chord. This will be our first chord and the equation for this chord will be only a, as all these variables are get cancelled with each other and this a will remain as it is. Now these two ones are not encircled, so we are going to encircle them by forming a chord or a pair. Now here we can form a chord like this. So the equation for this will be, this a bar get cancelled with each other, this c bar c get cancelled with each other, so we will get only b bar for the second chord. So the end equation will be y equal to a plus b bar. Now we will see the next example, that is function of ABCD summation mean terms 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13, 15. Now we are going to enter the ones for the mean terms which are available in the equation 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13 and 15, and for remaining cells we will enter zeros. Now after this we will find, here 1 0 is remaining. After this we will find a octet if it is available over here. So for this we will not get any octet, so we will go for a chord. Now this one will be our first chord. For this we will get the equation as C bar D. After that this one will be our second chord. For this the equation will be A bar B. Now here this one is remaining, so with this one we will form a pair over here. For this we will get the equation as A B bar, and these two terms are related with this pair. From this we will get only C bar. D bar get cancelled with each other. Now if we observe, this one is not encircled at and this one is not encircled at. So for this one we will form another chord like this for this one, and the equation for this will be B D. If you observe the term, we can get the equation for this chord as a BD. Now this one is not encircled at, so for that we will make another chord like this, and the equation for this will be A bar D. These two terms are related with each other, and these two terms A bar D. So the final equation, now as we observe over here, that as this is our one chord, this is our one chord, and this is our third chord, and if we form a pair like this, so there is no need to form this chord, as this is a redundant group. Means even though if we not form this chord, then there will not be any effect, as all the ones are involved in any one of the chord which we have formed, so we can reject this chord. So the end equation will be y equal to A bar B plus A B bar C plus B D plus A B bar C bar over here, and plus A bar D. Now we will solve the next example. Now here the given equation is, we will enter the ones for the respective min terms: 0 1 2 4 8 9 11 and 12, and for remaining we are going to enter zeros. Now we will form a group. A octet is not possible over here, so we can form this as a chord. Equation for this will be C bar D bar. After that we can form another chord using this one and this one, as these two are adjacent with each other. So for this the equation will be B bar C bar. Correct. B bar C bar. Now if we observe, this one is not involved anywhere, so we can form a pair like this. So for this the equation will be A B bar D. Now this one is not involved anywhere, so we can form a pair as this one and this one are adjacent with each other. So for this we will get the term as A bar B bar D bar. So the end equation will be y is equal to C bar D bar plus B bar C bar plus A B bar D plus A bar B bar D bar. Now we will solve the next example, that is function of ABC is equal to summation small m 1 As the function is of 3 variable, we will use 3 variable K map. So you enter the ones for 0 1 4 6 7. For remaining enter 0. So here we cannot get a chord and octet, we have to make pairs only. This will be our first pair, which will give the equation as B bar C bar. After that, this one is not encircled with anywhere, so we can form another pair like this, which will give the expression as A bar B bar. After that, we can form another group of this 1 1, which will give the equation as A B. So the end equation will be y equal to A bar B bar plus AB plus B bar C bar. Now we will see the next example, that is y equal to summation small m 1 5 9 13. So enter the ones. As the min terms are in the range of 0 to 15, 4 variable K map is used over here. Now we will enter the ones 1 5 9 and 13. For remaining we will enter zeros. So we can form a group now. Octet will not be possible. We will form a chord like this, which will give you the equation as C bar D. This will be our end equation, that is y equal to C bar D. Now we will solve the next example, which is y equal to summation small m 1 3 7 8 10 12 13 15. Enter the ones 1 3 7 8 10 12 13 15. For remaining enter zeros. Here we cannot get octet and we cannot get a chord, so we have to find out the pairs only. This will be our first pair, which gives the equation as A bar B bar D. After that we will get this as a second pair, which will give the equation as B C D. After that we can form a third pair, which will give the equation as A B C bar. Now as this one and this one are not encircled anywhere, we can form a fourth pair as these two cells are adjacent with each other. For this we will get the equation as A B bar D bar. So the end equation will be A bar B bar D plus B C D plus A B bar D bar plus A B C bar. Now we will solve next example. Function of wxy summation small m 0 1 2 4 6 7. Now here again we will enter the ones for the mean terms 0 1 2 4 6 7. For remaining we will enter zeros. Here also we cannot get a octet, or therefore we will find out a chord if it is possible. So these two cells are adjacent with each other, so this will be our first chord. The equation for this chord will be this w bar get cancelled with each other, x bar x get cancelled with each other, so we will get only a y bar. After this one and this one not involved anywhere, so we can form a pair for this, and the equation for this pair will be w bar and x bar. After this one is not involved anywhere, so we can form another pair like this. The equation will be wx. So the end equation will be y bar plus w bar x bar plus wx. So this is how we can simplify the given SOP expression using K-map. Now these are the 7 examples for your homework. You have to solve at your own. You can also find the solution of all these examples in TechMax also. First solve at your own, and after that cross check the solutions which are available in the TechMax. Thank you.